To turn on fast wireless charging schedule in Samsung Galaxy S20, open settings, click swipe up or down home screen to access the app screen, and then tap settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel. Swipe the notification panel and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find device care, and then tap device care. Select battery and then tap charging. Tap fast wireless charging and then turn on fast wireless charging. Tap switch until on and then tap turn off as schedule. Tap switch until blue and then enter your start time and end time you want. For example 1 o'clock and end time in 10 o'clock. Done. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.